I'm going to show you the easiest way to learn how to play In the End by Linkin Park. And it's going to be super simple. So I am going to put the letter notes up here for you, but we're going to use a number system today because it's super fast. And here's how it's going to go. Okay, so find the set of 2 black keys and the set of 3 black keys. And with your right hand, you're going to put your thumb on the second black key right here, D sharp. And you're going to play this white key F. And then you're going to play 3, 4, 5. So thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you put your hand right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now play 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you put your fingers right here, you can just memorize the number patterns and it'll be a piece of cake. You don't need to move or anything. So let's go ahead and try this. We're going to go 1, 5, 5, 3. That's it. Here we go. 1, 5, 5, 3. Good. Do it again. 1, 5, 5, 3. Go. 1, 5, 5, 3. Now play 4 Fs and then go up. And up on the piano is that way. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 up. You try it. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Good. Now let's play the whole thing. Super easy. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 5, 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Good job. So if you need to, pause right now and practice that until you totally got it, until it's super, super easy. Okay? Don't go forward unless you got that. Now we're going forward. Left hand. Left hand is very simple. You find the set of 2, an octave lower. You're going to put finger number 1 on 1, finger number 2 right here, and finger 3 on B. And that's all we're going to use. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, and that's it. Okay? So you put your left hand over here. You play left hand while I play right. Do not play right right now. Just get used to left hand. So me both, you left. Got it? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, move, 3, 2, do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. So what I noticed is that 1s are going together and 2s are kind of going together. So keep that in mind. That'll help you out. Okay. Now, pause if you need to and practice that, but it's just 1, 2, 3, 2. I don't think you need to pause and do it, really. I don't think you do. But now we're going to try both hands together slowly, okay? So now let's play it together slowly. Both hands start on 1s, okay? So give that a try. Put both hands into the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And play 1s, okay? Now play 2s together, because that happens a lot, okay? Here we go. Let's try it. 2 hands. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 5, 5, 3, 2s. 2 up, 3 and 1. 2s. Do it again. 1s. 2s. 3 and 1. 2s. Okay, let's try it one more time without me screaming at you. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Good job. And go ahead and go to my website, therubypiano.com, and check out my new piano course where I teach just like this with numbers and with letters. And yeah, simple learning to make playing fun. Have a great day. Bye.